Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be showing you how to deactivate Quora account on your device. And before we get started, first of all, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your Quora account. Now first of all, open your Quora application. Now as you tap on the Quora application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, tap on your profile icon which is in the upper left corner. Now in case if you don't have the option right over there, so you might have the option right at the bottom in the lower right corner. So now tap on your profile icon. Now as soon as you tap on your profile icon, on the other side you can see list of options. Now right at the bottom there you can see settings, tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside the info about settings. And here as you can see that there are a list of different options. Now on the second option you can see privacy, so tap in. So next on the other page we'll land inside privacy settings. Now on this following page, scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom you can see two different options, that is deactivate account and delete account. Now from here, whether you want to deactivate your account or whether you want to delete your account, you have to select. In case if you've added more than one language, so the option might appear something like this, deactivate account in all languages. So in order to deactivate, tap on deactivate account. Now on the other page you can see the statement and make sure to go through it carefully. So next what you have to do is you have to enter your password in order to confirm your identity. So you must enter the correct password that is linked with your Quora account. So once you've finished entering your password, tap on done which is in the upper right corner. So once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it carefully and then tap on deactivate. Now here as you can see that I'm logged out of Quora account, which means that my account has been deactivated, and this is how you can deactivate your Quora account on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.